Legal action pursued against Guyanese critic for compensation in crane operator's death. Kaiteur News Guyana has learned that legal action is being pursued against Tepui Group Inc., owned by Mikhail Critic Rodrigues, seeking $80 million in compensation for the death of crane operator Shon Anthony Joseph. Last October, Joseph tragically lost his life after a crane toppled at a wharf under construction in Providence, East Bank Demerara, EBD. Attorney-at-law Roysdale Forde, representing Kimmervie Shemesha Isa Pellew, the wife of the deceased crane operator, has sent a letter to Tepui Group Inc. outlining their intention to seek legal recourse if a settlement is not reached. In the letter dated March 5, 2024, Forde stated that Joseph died during his course of employment at the company's worksite. He emphasized Pellew's willingness to accept compensation in the sum of $80 million and requested a response from Tepui Group Inc. by March 15, 2024. Following Joseph's death, police reported that the crane operator was performing his duties when the crane toppled, pinning him after he attempted to jump to safety. Mikhail Critic Rodrigues, acting as the public relations consultant for Tepui Group Inc., acknowledged the workplace accident, attributing it to movement at the footing of the pile. He expressed condolences and assured cooperation with the family. However, Rodrigues has faced allegations of collecting $5 million from businessman Nazar Mohammed to settle with the family but failing to do so. In response, Critic denied these claims, asserting that he only provided $460,000 to the family and did not receive $5 million from Mohammed. The situation has garnered attention, with Team Mohammed expressing shock and disbelief over the handling of the matter. The legal proceedings underscore the seriousness of the situation, and Kaiteur News Guyana will continue to monitor developments closely.